What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a big announcement to make. We have finally hit 250 subscribers. I really appreciate everybody subscribing to the channel. I am extremely grateful that everybody enjoys the content, everybody is subscribed to the channel. So the big announcement is I'm going to do a giveaway. The details of the giveaway will be dropped on Sunday, July 7th, 2024 in the video that I drop on that day. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna pick 3 winners sometime near the end of the month, but I'm gonna drop more details on that. I just want to give you guys a heads up because we have hit 250 subscribers. So yeah, I'm just extremely grateful for everybody that is subscribed. If you're not subscribed already, definitely still subscribe, even if you're watching this video and the deadline has been met. So yeah, I'm extremely grateful for you guys. I really appreciate everything. And without further ado, let's get in the video, guys, and make sure you guys stay tuned for the update on the giveaway. There will be 3 winners picked, so definitely don't miss out on that. All right, hope you guys enjoy the video and have a great day. What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be ripping into our first ever box of One Piece. We got the new 500 years into the future booster box here, so super excited to rip into this. Probably start eventually playing the game soon, but I wanted to just get my hands on some of these. I know you guys have had a request on the channel about opening up this box, so I did get a second box as well, so I will rip that, but it will be in a separate video. It'll be my first time opening this, so I usually take my time a little bit with the first video. Second video will probably go a little bit quicker, but we are looking for a Boa Hancock card in here. It's the most expensive card in the set. So but yeah, but before we get started, if you guys could do me a massive favor, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. I'm really grateful for all you guys already subscribing to the channel. It's been awesome. Yeah, and just stay up to date with the giveaways, stuff like that. So yeah, without further ado, guys, let's get into it. So yeah, there are 24 packs per box, 12 cards per pack. So total in this box, you get 288 cards, which is a lot. So let me go a quick breakdown of this. You get 45 commons, 30 uncommons, 26 rares, 10 super rares, 2 secret rares, 6 leaders, 6 specials, 1 treasure rare, and 1 Dawn card. Yeah, I like that they actually put that on the side to kind of let you know. I am gonna also let you guys know I am not an expert in One Piece by any means. My one buddy watches it. He knows so much about One Piece, but for me personally, I do not know that much. But I will be starting to learn about it. So bear with me. If you guys want to help me out in the comments, let me know if there's a really good card in here that I pulled that maybe I'm not aware of. It'd be greatly appreciated. So yeah, without further ado, let's get into it, guys. It's gonna be definitely fun. I really enjoy the art of these cards. So but yeah, I'm gonna sleeve everything after too, so just because there is a lot to go through. Boa Marigold, oh my god. Blue Jam, Pickles, Aladdin. Yeah, the art on these cards are really, really good. Caribou, Crocodile, Event, more Pizza. I should actually separate them based on the card so I can kind of see the differences. Leader, Vegapunk, Curly Dayton. That is a character card. Event, Perfume, Femur. Oh, sick. There's Boa Hancock right there. That's sick. Hopefully that's a good hit there. It is hollow, so that's definitely solid. I'm gonna put that one off to the side. And then your turn card. Oh, that's a hollow too. That is sick. Dawn card. Okay, so there's the 1 Dawn card. I think it said there's only 1 of these in the whole set. Yeah, there is. So that's pretty crazy. Just got the Dawn card on the very first pack, which is, I mean, that's a sick card. That is so dope. That one I'm gonna sleeve right away, just because, I mean, there's only 1 of these, so I'm gonna sleeve that. I don't even want to have to repick that up after. Here we go, guys. That's the art on that is just insane. Like, check that out. I know I'm admiring the cards a lot, but I really appreciate the artwork. Okay, pack number 1 is done. Let's go on to pack number 2. Okay. Gizmonda. Oh, this other character I didn't even notice was a holo as well. Curly Dayton. The holos are it's kind of hard to see that they're holo. I mean, you can probably tell on the camera a little easier, but when I'm here looking at them. All right. Stage card, interesting. Get that one off the side. Event card, man, so sick. These are nice. Another stage card, Egghead. Mr. Tanaka. Dang, that's a cool character. Man, some of these characters are pretty funny. Atlas. Oh, that's a cool card. Boa Hancock. There we go. There's one of them. I don't know if that's just like the alternative art of her, but that's a sick card. Definitely dope. Tony Chopper. And Blaze. Oh, the Tony Chopper is a holo as well. So hard to tell. Blaze Slice Event. That is sick. Sorry, I'm gonna have to sleeve some of these. These are way too nice not just to sleeve right away. That is a sick card. Yeah, let me know, guys, in the comments if I'm hitting anything solid. I really appreciate the help. I'm gonna throw this other one as well. In the sleeve at least a soft sleeve for now. This other event card. There we go. Okay. Like I said, this video will definitely be slower than the first one. They are a new card type for me, so I'm still. And anytime I rip new cards, I always like to check out the artwork and see which cards I like. So here we go. Manda. Oh, that's so cool. You're definitely gonna hear me saying that a lot because I just really like these cards. Event. Karmic Punishment. Another event. These are sick. Captain John. Slave Arrow Event. Kaku. This guy's a Pinocchio nose there. But it looks like I got like a pig snout on the end. Oh, that's sick. Man, some of these cards are so cool. Porsche. That is sick. What a cool card. I gotta put these holos in the cases. It's just bothering me being. Just bear with me for a second. Anytime I get a holo here, I'm gonna throw them in a case quick. Absolutely gorgeous cards. Alright. Pack number 4. A lot of cards in here. That's kind of cool. I'm going to have rip this box and I'm going to also rip another box. I'm going to have about 500 of these cards just from 2 boxes. Bakersville. Maha. Usopp. Another Pinocchio nose. If there's any fans of that guy out there, you guys are probably chirping me, but the heck? She has like a snake tongue. Boa Sandersonia. Interesting. Some crazy characters in this. Caribou. Event, Keep Out. Salome. Hamburg. Verona. Zorro. Oh, that's sick. Otama. And Stussy. Those are both sick holos. Yeah. Throw those in some sleeves quick. That's so cool. Just sitting there eating ramen. Assuming that's what she's eating. Man, the artwork on these are insane. I might have to go watch some One Piece after this. Get familiar with these characters a little bit. One guy that works at the store that I buy these from, he was saying he doesn't even watch the show, but he absolutely loves the card game. That's sick. This guy has like some Santa Claus boxing glove hybrid things going on here. Character, big bun. Verona Zoro, another one of him, alternative. Foxy, oh that's sick. That looks very cool. Character, and Jinbe, another cool card. Oh, these are sick. These are absolutely sick. See why people, I don't know if people just collect these or if they only, I'm sure there's probably people like me, like who haven't played the game yet that just collect. I mean, like I said, I probably will start learning how to play it. But I do just like collecting different cards. Very few things I don't really collect. Probably Yu-Gi-Oh! Is like the one thing that I'm not really collecting anymore. Used to when I was a kid, but sorry guys, making sure I put them in, I have them separated here so I can. So a lot of character cards. Jewelry Bonnie leader. Sengoku character. Well, that's a holo too. Ain, another holo. Oh, another Dawn, never mind. So you do get more than one Dawn card in here. Maybe that's like an average, because that's my second Dawn card. Interesting. Yeah, I got two of those, the exact same cards. Interesting. Leaving these ones up. Sengoku. Very cool. All right, let's keep this going. A lot to get through. Not even halfway through the box yet. Oh, almost mixed my stage card there with my characters. Mr. Tanaka again, let's go. Monkey D Dragon leader. That's sick. What do we got here? A holo event card. And Marguerite. Character. Oh, I apologize. And the event card, get that into a sleeve. Alright, keep this going. Yeah, good thing I was like literally considering, I was like, yeah, I can't rip both boxes in one video. It would be like an hour long. Like, just too much. I don't rip, especially the first time ripping them, I'm like, I don't rip cards that fast, so. I like to take a quick look at them, you know, before I skip ahead. Event. A lot of the Tony Choppers, got a lot of those cards. Another one of Boa Sanderson. Shaka, oh, that's sick. Nico, Robin. Frankie. Let's go, Frankie. Sengoku. Alright, Frankie. For those of you that know, you know what movie that's from. It's an old movie. Not sure if you guys would know. If you don't know, you should know. It's a great movie. If you can figure it out, let me know in the comments. I have a feeling somebody out there will get it. I know there's some people, I ripped pop culture cards, and there's a lot of people that were shocked that I didn't know who Ron Howard was. So, you know, maybe some people do watch some older shows and older movies, so maybe they'll be familiar with it. Gecko Moria, Jinbi, Buckin, Blue Jam, Snake Dance, Event, Keep Out, Pickles again, Big Bun again, Bartholomew, Salome, Event, Blaze Slice, and Lilith. Very cool cards. Apologize. I like holding the cards close to the camera so you can see, so sometimes I accidentally hit the camera. I do apologize for that. Blaze Slice. Alright. Keep this going. I think 3 more packs on the one side. Wow. I'm gonna start ripping through this a little quicker, I think. I mean, the intro was probably a good minute and a half, but we're probably looking about a half-hour long video here. Stage card. Event. Moda. Atlas. Another Foxy and Sabo. Oh, that's a sick card. That's definitely the coolest holo I've gotten so far. Dang, that is sick. That definitely stands out. Put that one off to the side here. Let's see. All right. We are starting to make a dent in this box. Starting to. Another Foxy. We're getting a lot of Foxies. Rob Lucci. That's sick. We're going to claim the One Piece event. First Rob Lucci card. I know there's a variation of him that's one of the more higher value cards. It's not this one, I don't think, but nonetheless, still a very cool card. I know the Boa Hancock. I know what the one card looks like, which is like over $1,000 card. And we hit that, that'd be crazy. First time ripping One Piece, hit that card. It'd be insane. I know a lot of people would probably be like, first time, really? This guy hits it, doesn't even play the game. But gotta pay to play. It is what it is. And like I said, you can be a fan of collecting, you know, just enjoy ripping. Also, somebody requested this on the channel, so this is for them also. That was the main reason that made me buy it. I was like, oh, somebody wants to see me rip One Piece, so here it is. Gotta give the people what they want. Galaxy Link, oh, that's cool. All right, we are halfway through the box, guys. Let's get these packs out of here and get this box out of the way. Okay. Here we go. Tanjit. A lot of the same cards I'm seeing. That one's different. Another one of those. Oh, sick. I think that's one of the other guys too. That's a decent hit from this box. From what I looked up. I looked up like top 10 most valuable cards, and I remember seeing his name. I don't know if that's the... I know there's alternative arts, so I don't know if that's the exact one. I will have to look it up after. But... then U Rouge. That's sick. Very cool cards, that is for sure. Oh, all right. Long day at work, good way to end it. Went to the card shop. And now I'm ripping cards, so great day to be alive. Ooh, Monkey D. Luffy. There we go. That's a sick one. It's a great card. Put that one off to the side, maybe in a different character pile. Another Monkey D. Luffy. Oh, that is sick. That one's cool. That's a sick card. Hollow, Monkey D. Luffy. Oh, we hit a Boa Hancock. It's not the one. It's not the one that, it's not the $1,000 one, but I'm pretty sure it's probably got to still be worth some money. That is a sick one. I'm gonna have to look that one up after. Betcha that's a good hit. I have a feeling that's a really good hit still. That's massive. I'm gonna put that in a top loader just in case. That was a sick pack. Got the Monkey D. Luffy, then got the Monkey D. Luffy Hollow. And then we got the Boa Hancock. That is sick. Alright, let's get this Monkey D. Luffy in a sleeve as well. Absolutely insane. That's a cool card. Such a cool card. Yeah, definitely a fan of these. What would people think if I came to a table and I had these all in top loaders and in one-touch bags? I wonder what people would think. They probably think I'm crazy. But I like to really take care of the cards and have like 3 layers of protection on them. But I know there are the other sleeves where they're like a little more stiff than the penny sleeves, where I've seen some people put them in those and then they put them in the penny sleeves, then put them in like the harder sleeves. Pack was struggling. All right, here we go. That was a solid pack, really good. Can we hit the Boa Hancock, the $1,000 card though? That is the question. That would be absolutely insane. Khalifa. Oh, that's sick. Nico Robin. I think that's my second one of those. Trafalgar Law. I think that's one of the hits too. Now they could Monkey D. Luffy, man. I don't know if they're just like, I don't know if I have a really good box or if I'm just, this is the problem with not knowing, right? But I have heard this guy's name in the top 10 for most value as well. I just don't know if it's that art, because I think there's multiple, well, there definitely is multiple art. So that could be it, but I'm gonna have to look it up after. I don't think that is the one that I remember seeing, but my memory isn't that great. So the Monkey D. Luffy is dope. Looks like he's wearing boxing gloves there. He's got an afro. Super cool. That one over with the other ones. The second half of the box seems like it's, the right side of the box seems like it's been way better so far. From my, from what I see so far. Shake Dance, Koala, Aladdin, Gina, Hattori, Shave, Outlook. Oh, that was an event card. I need to put that in the wrong pile. And Monkey D. Dragon. Sick. Very cool cards. Gotta sleeve up all these hollows. I can't be putting them in piles not sleeved. It's one of those things, right? My food just got delivered. My dog is going nuts. Character, Monkey D, Dragon. That one off this side too, just in case. Alright guys, we are making a dent. We are almost through. It's a long rip. Yeah, two boxes would have been way too much to rip in one video. Rob Lucci again, and Baccarat. Rob Lucci and Baccarat. Definitely happy with the cards I'm getting. I think this is well worth the price point for the box. Absolutely. I mean, even if you know, yeah, I don't know. They seem reasonable, in my opinion. Other people might disagree, but I think they're a reasonable price point. Get a lot of cards. They're very nice cards. Here we go. We're getting some different stuff now. Frankie. Let's go, Frankie. All right. So again, tell me what movie that's from, Frankie. Man, these event cards look pretty cool too. What we got there? Maybe 6 packs left. Go 3/4 of the way through the boxes. It's almost half-hour video. Usopp, Jinbe, Capote, Megaton, Ninetales Rush. Let's see. Egghead. Character. Finsmoke, Sanji. Slave Arrow. Got another one of those. Starting to see some doubles here. Flash, Tiger, and Basil. Oh, that is sick. That looks like 3-dimensional. Basil Hawkins. That is sick. What a dope card. One of the coolest cards maybe I've ever seen. That's so sick. That is so nice. These are insane. These are next level, guys, in my opinion. Or I'm just like waking up to how nice One Piece's cards are right now, but so cool. All right, here we go. Gecko Moria. Monkey D. Luffy again. Okay, so we have 2 of those cards now, so they're not as rare. It's more common. Galaxy Wink event. And Lucy. Interesting. Okay, what do we got? 4 packs left. We're almost there, guys. Hopefully we can hit the Boa Hancock, the other one. Four packs. Could get lucky. Sometimes it's right near the end of a box. That's where you hit the big things. Rob Lucci leader. Karina character. And another one of these. Okay, so we've hit 2 of those, so they can't be as... That event card can't be as rare, because that's the second one we've hit. Unless yeah, I would assume that they're not as rare. Yeah, that's the second one of those. Interesting. Okay, 3 packs left. Let me know your thoughts on this box. Was it a good one? Was it not? I have nothing to compare it to as of right now. I am not as knowledgeable as most of you with One Piece cards, so let me know your thoughts in the comments. It's nice to learn from the audience too. Stuff that I'm not as familiar with. That's awesome. Captain John. Lucy, another Lucy. And another Fisher Tiger. So I've got 2 of those each. That's our second Lucy. And that's our second Fisher Tiger as well. Alright, 2 more packs. Okay, it's not too bad. A little longer than I thought. Like I said, it's also the first time I've ripped this box. Next video should be a little shorter. Usopp. Smoke. Ooh, there's another Monkey D. Luffy. Okay, so that's the second one of those. They're definitely not as rare. Trafalgar Law. That's a different... No, that's the same Trafalgar Law. So those ones can't be... I mean, we've gotten 2 of those each. Can't be as rare. There's no way you would have hit 2 of those in a box if they're harder to pull. 2 of those each, so... Okay, final pack, guys. Let's go. We need that other Boa Hancock, the $1,000 plus card. I believe it's around $1,500. That would be absolutely insane. Baskerville. There's our Portuguese, so that's our second one of that as well. And there's our first one of Sanji. That's sick. That's a sick card. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button, and have a great day.